Car insurance rates are falling for most of the country, but not here in Indianapolis. Allison Gormley tells us tonight what's the deal with how your rate is determined and what you can do right now to keep it under control.
While car insurance prices are up 2% in Indianapolis, we're pretty far down the list when it comes to what we pay. Out of the 50 states plus Washington, D.C., we're all the way at 42, according to the car insurance comparison site, The Zebra. The average price in Indianapolis, a little under $1,200. And what you pay is based on 4 things. First, who you are. Your age, gender, even credit score can determine what you pay. Next, where you are.
So if you have a really busy intersection where people are getting in fender benders all the time and filing claims, that zip code is going to kind of be marked as a more expensive one.
Drivers paying the most live in these 3 Indy zip codes, and they're paying nearly $1,400 a year. Drivers paying the least, or a little less than $1,100, live in the small town of Saratoga, Winchester, and Muncie. Then there's what you drive. The newer your car, the more you'll pay. Finally, how you drive. Bad behavior means big bucks.
So a hit and run, racing, or DUI are going to all raise your rates about $1,000 a year for the next 3 years. If you're speeding, it's going to be about $353.
To save money, bundle your car insurance with your homeowner's or renter's policy. You're going to also want to shop your policy every 6 months and ask your employer if they offer any partnership discounts. And if you do switch, don't let your coverage lapse even a day, because that can nix your newfound savings. Some insurance companies will also offer you up to 10% off for taking a defensive driving course online. If you can do without a second vehicle for 2 or 3 months, you can reduce its coverage to a parked car policy. It's reduced coverage for people who are typically deployed or drive a classic car seasonally. The Post-it is so you don't forget to call when you're ready to drive it again.
And you can find more ways to save and tips to save time in your day. Just go ahead and go to WTHR.com/what's the deal.